Everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan, and today we're going to be talking all about the Pure Resonance Audio S line of surface mount outdoor speakers. All right, so here in front of me, got a whole family of the Pure Resonance Audio S surface mount speakers, indoor-outdoor speakers. These are all weather resistant with IP65 ratings, which means that it protects against water and dust and dirt going into the grill. These can all be left out in the weather, hot, cold, sleet, snow, they don't care. They are all hard ABS plastic enclosures, built tough. They are also all UV resistant, meaning you can leave these out in the sun. They're not going to just magically melt or fade away or anything like that. And they all have metal grills, so nice and tough. If you use metal ball field, a baseball hits it, it's still going to be standing, not going to just fall apart and collapse or anything. And these all also do have 70 volt and 100 volt transformer taps, as well as an 8 ohm bypass if you need to use any of them in low impedance. And they all have Phoenix or Euroblock connectors on the back of them with pass-throughs, so you can wire to one speaker onto the next in 70 volt in your high impedance type situations. In front of me, I have the S5s, which have 4.5 inch woofers in white and in black. Transformer taps from 2.5 watts up to 40 watts on those in 70 volt. They come with mounting brackets to be able to easily be mounted horizontally or vertically, indoor or outdoor. These are primarily going to be used in restaurants, retail stores, places where you need light background music, that kind of thing. And then from there, we step on up to its big brother, the S6.5, which is a 6.5 inch woofer, power up to 60 watts, and full frequency response, a little bit more foreground level speaker for a little bit deeper punch. Can once again use those in hospitality, restaurants, sports bars, that kind of thing, which then leads on up into the S6.1 and the S8.1. That 0.1 stands for these three-way enclosures. These actually have an exclusive optimal bass enhancement radiator on the back. So that's actually going to be an additional bass speaker on the back of these, which helps to round out the low frequencies a bit better. For more on that, we have another video that we've done to take a look at the S6.1 versus the S6. You're also going to have 70 volt transformer taps on the S6.1 and the S8.1. Those can also be mounted horizontally or vertically, and once again can be used in 70 volt or low impedance systems. Those are going to be designed a little bit more for fitness, sports bars, weight rooms, places where you need a little bit deeper punch than you would get from some of these other models, and definitely way higher output than from the S5s. That then leads into the biggest brother of the line right now, the S10, which is IP66 rated, which means it can actually take pressure from water jets directly into the grill, which is why it's generally used more for water parks, ball fields, stadiums, warehouses, things like that where we need to throw sound very long distances. In speech applications, these can be heard up to 650 feet away, so definitely a great way to throw sound a good long distance. 10-inch woofer with a 3-inch voice coil and a 1-inch tweeter in this bad boy, so definitely designed to reach out and touch somebody and put sound far away as you need. Weigh about 32 pounds, so you definitely want to make sure and mount these nice and solid, whether it's to a press box, a wall in a factory, to the wrought iron in a gym, that kind of thing. So all of these speakers are available for any of your applications. If you do have any questions about how they all connect or what we can do with them or need some guidance for your particular project, my name's Nathan. Definitely drop us a like down below, click subscribe so you can keep an eye on what we're doing, and let me know if I can help you with any other projects here, guys. And until next time, thanks for tuning in.